Let's make classic trance. First, we gotta set the tempo to something like 138 BPM and start with the punch kick from a sample pack. Let's turn this kick to mono and use EQ to take down some of the highs. Then let's add some open hi-hats. Some close hi-hats. Some shakers. Some percussion from my sample pack. After 8 bars, let's add some claps. And after another 8 bars, at the second half of the drop, let's add some crashes. Guys, if you like these drums, they're from my sample pack, the House Maniac. You can get the pack using the link in the description. The pack contains more than 150 samples, which work with any house or techno genre. All the samples are high quality and it's super affordable. So if you're interested, check it out using the link in the description. Now we need a 16-note trance bass pattern. Let's use Fruit Limiter to sidechain this to the kick. Turn this to mono and slightly adjust the EQ. And next, let's add some plucks playing along the root note like this. Now we need some big emotional pads. Let's sidechain this and just take down the highs. Now let's use an acid sound. Let's take down lows from this. And use some auto panning. Now we're gonna make the main lead at the second half. I layer another sound, made it sound wider. Let's sidechain this. Use EQ to take down lows. And add some saturation. Since I feel like the lead comes out of nowhere, let's record the first note like this. And reverse it into the lead. Now since the drop's done, let's move on to the intro and the builder. Let's start with the kick and the bass. And after 8 bars, let's add the plucks and the close hi-hats. And after another 8 bars, let's add the open hi-hats, the pads, and the acid. And let's use a volume automation to introduce the pads leading up to the builder. To transition this into the builder, let's use these crashes. Some exhaust. And some subdrops. And let's add some build-up drums from my sample pack. Some risers. And some downlifters. Now let's duplicate this and just change things around. Let's change the second build-up by isolating a sound from the lead like this. And automating the cutoff of it. At the second draw, let's add some string life pads. And let's use the top notes of the lead to do that. And let's also add some vocals at the second half. I run this reggae using LFO tool. And add some reverb. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.